Guys, for today's video, meron akong nakita. Hindi ko alam na available na pala to. Si Akulaku, meron na pala siyang separate loan app na parang pay later. Para siyang, parang Atome na buy now pay later or Lavit card. Meron na pala siyang ganun. And kung hindi nyo kilala si Akulaku, isa siya sa nagpa-finance sa Lazada. Yung last pay later. Isa siya dun sa lending company or lending institution nagpapautang ng mga purchases nyo kay Lazada. And in addition, alam nyo ba na si Akulaku, isa sa hawak niyang kumpanya ay ang Ownbank? Yan ang pag-uusapan natin today. So samahan nyo ako, sit back and let's discuss. Coming right up. Hi guys, this is Pat and you're in Pat Quintos Review TV. So if you're new to my channel, I do reviews about personal finance na meron na akong experience or meron na akong knowledge. Na ginawa ko na yan ng videos and playlist na makita nyo dito sa taas. At kung bago kayo dito sa channel ko, you may want to consider subscribing to my channel. Isa sa company or under the umbrella ng Akulaku ay si Ownbank. Bukod pa dito sa lending company niya na sabi ko nga na available sa Lazada. And yun nga, nasabi ko rin at nagulat din ako na may separate na application na pala siya for a pay later app. So ang gagawin natin today is i-check natin, i-double check natin kung sino nga ba to si Akulaku. And pangalawa, tingnan natin kung ma-approve tayo. At pangatlo, tingnan natin yung offer. And then huli, tingnan natin yung feedback ng ibang naka-experience na neto. So, sino ba itong si Akulaku? Under dito sa Google Play Store, ang pangalan niya ay Akulaku Cash Loan. So kapag clinic po natin yan, tingnan natin about this app. So, sabi dito, Akulaku is licensed under Street Corner Lending Corporation doing business under the name style of Akulaku. So, ito po yung registration nila with SEC and yung Certificate of Authority, and which is pag tinignan din po natin sa check with SEC na app, registered naman po sila. So, with that documentary requirements, masasabi natin na legit si Akulaku or si Street Corner Lending. Ito po yung company address nila is 24th floor IBP Tower Trade Junior San Antonio Pasig, which is nakapuntahan po ako dito nung bumisita po ako kay Ownbank nung nakipag-meet po ako with some officials ni Ownbank. And during that time, nag-share sila ng office with Akulaku. So, based on my observation, legit naman po sila na may office po talaga. So, I guess, hindi po natin maiisip na fly-by-night na online lending app to. Anyway, sige po, ano bang ino-offer po ni Akulaku? Sabi dito, high loan amount up to 60,000 pesos, which, wow, safe and trusted, yada-yada. Tapos, one ID needed lang daw. And then, payment terms up to 6 months, which is relative naman same with like Atome, diba? Yung mga installment ni Atome converted into 3 or 6 months. Trusted platform, yada-yada, low interest rate, no hidden fees. Hindi natin alam, check natin mamaya. Yan, yun lang. Okay, about this app, ang sabi nila dito, ang maximum APR daw nila ay 30%. Talaga ba? Tingnan natin mamaya. So, install po natin siya. Ayan, mag-a-ask po yan ng mobile number natin for the registration. Enter nyo po yan, and then the verification, and then check nyo, and then register. And then, mag-set kayo ng password. Tapos, pag nakalogin na kayo dito, yan, click nyo yung loan now para makapag-register kayo. So, and then, enter nyo yung personal details nyo, emergency contact, and then, maglalagay na po kayo ng ID nyo. And then, after which, magsa-selfie na rin po kayo, masasabit na po siya, and then, for verification na po siya. So, medyo matagal po to. Naghintay po ako siguro dito ng ilang oras, 3 hours to 4 hours. And, ang natanggap ko po is, ito po, yan, decline po. I don't know why, pero sa Lazada Pay Later po, approve naman po ako for my Akulaku. Check po natin, Lazada. So ayun po, makikita nyo, Akulaku Buy Now Pay Later po yung nagpa-finance ng Pay Later ko with Lazada. And meron naman po akong available credits. And na-approve naman nila ako. So I really don't know the reason kung bakit hindi nila ako ma-approve sa cash loan. Maybe meron silang ibang parameters, so on and so forth. So anong gagawin natin? Deny tayo. Well, check na lang po natin yung mga reviews ng mga nagkaroon na ng Akulaku. Guys, baka pwede naman kayo mag-subscribe and follow dito sa aking mga social media channel. Dito po sa YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, and even Instagram. So please follow and support. So dito sa Google Play Store, meron po silang 2.5 stars. Medyo mababa po yan and maraming 1 star. So check po natin. Ito po, katulad nito. You guys said that the update will be given in 1 hour, but it has been more than an hour already. So already 3 hours of waiting. Tapos, wala, diba? Ganun katagal. Ito, very bad experience. I already submitted the application so many times but rejected so many times. Uy, buti to. Si Jen Marcilia. I love this lending app. Fast approval with high credit limit. Totoo ba to? Ito, sabi dito, rejected din daw siya. May makuha ba tayo dito to compare? I received a call from a representative of this application named Gilbert from Akulaku. As stated, he was trying to follow up regarding my overdue loan. Have recorded conversation though. Sabi dito, scam app. They just need number of being downloaded and stars so they can earn on the app. Mukhang wala pang na-approve. Check natin. Ito, meron naman pala. Same review with other clients at first, they will allow you to book smoothly with no problems. After your payment made, which was always on time, the second time you will use their service, that is when they will decline it. Customer service always say irregularities on your account. At least meron na po Sana may numbers. Okay, so cut yung video natin So upon checking, wala po akong makitang amount. So hindi ko po siya mapuprove sa inyo kung mataas o mababa. What I can tell you guys is parang walang successful na application dito sa Akulaku. Hindi ko nakikita kung legit ba yung nagsasabi na meron sila kasi some of the reviews sa Google Play Store sinasabi na naka-loan sila nung una, yung pangalawa, nare-reject na. But that's 2023, 2024 pa. So ito yung unang beses pala nilang sabak sa Buy Now Pay Later. Ngayon, yung mga recent na reviews, and chinek ko rin sa Reddit, wala po talagang na-approve. Ang nakikita ko lang po is mga instances about Akulaku's Buy Now Pay Later sa Lazada. So, in this case, dahil hindi po natin siya makakalculate, magbe-base na lang po tayo sa experience natin at sa feedback ng mga tao. What I can conclude here is that, yes, street corner lending may be legit, Akulaku may be legit business. However, wala pong magpapatunay na nakita natin right now or even silipin nyo sa feedback na merong mga successful na nakakahiram dito kay Akulaku. Probably tama yung sinasabi nila na wag i-download yung app na yan, baka nangunguha lang information. I don't know, kasi kung meron naman successful, meron dyan na magpapatunay ng magkano yung nautang nila, magkano sinisingil sa kanila, etc. etc. So, download at your own risk. Hindi ko po nire-recommend. Baka po kasi kinukuha lang information nyo, so on and so forth. So yeah, mag-ingat na lang po kayo. Okay, for our question of the day, based from na-review natin, masasabi ba natin na legit ba tong app na to kung walang successful na nakakahiram dito? Para saan pa, di ba? Ano tingin nyo? Let me know sa comment section sa baba for our weekly giveaway. Yun lamang po for today's video, but before we end this video, mag-shoutout po muna tayo at shoutout kay Rachel Lynn Mabuti at Rachel Lynn Mabuti 7729. Ang sabi po niya, security than interest. Been watching your vlog, it helps me choose where to put my money. Yan kay Miss Rachel Lynn Mabuti. Shoutout po sa inyo and thank you so much po for watching and supporting my videos. Maraming salamat po. I hope you like this video. Leave a thumbs up and if not, wala nang problema dyan, but continue to support me by subscribing to my channel by clicking the subscribe button and also the bell button sa tabing subscribe para makareceive kayo ng latest notification sa lahat ng upload ko. Again guys, this is Pat Quinto and you're in Pat Quinto's Review TV. Bye-bye!